Oh, Lord. Oh, yeah. Wish I could get down there to get a better view, you know? Wonder if I could get down there. Not you, but just me. Yeah, and get a better view. I think I could do it up here. We gotta size that tree. Can I get around that tree? Yeah, you can walk right down there. Yeah, get a better view. All right, let's go. Give it a try. Yeah, it's a pedestrian walkway. It's an old train bridge. All right, let me go under here and I'll be back. Unless I fall in.
You probably get a good bloody can up the top of there.
All right. Okay, let me give it a try. Yeah, it's gonna be slippery. Okay, here we go. Hi, if this is the last time anybody's ever seen me, I'll try to throw the camera so somebody can get the footage. Okay. All right. Look at that rotted tree. Is that cedar? Looks like cedar. Okay, ready? Let's go down here. Whoa. It makes it so much colder. Wow, look at that. Oh, there's people on the other side over there. Wow. Wow, look at that. Train bridge. Waterfall. Oh, I'm getting sprayed. Wow. Wow. That's a lot of water. You don't want to get caught in that current. That's for sure. That'd be a lot of water. Make a good jacuzzi. Listen to the sound. Wow. Alright, let's get out of here before I fall in. Wow, look at everything's all wet. Wow, that's so cool. Very cool. I'm getting all wet. I'm getting misted. Let's get out of here. I want to take a look over there. Let's get out of here. We gotta climb up this hill again. that. Somebody got a dog over there. All right, let's go. Climb back up this hill without falling down. Made it. Just for shits and giggles. It's like a park. Let's go up this catwalk. How do I get back in here? He's got a dog.
6 months old, he's friendly. I don't know why he's barking.
Huh? Come on, boy. Come on, boy.
What?
Come on. That waterfall's quite something, huh?
Yeah.
How old is he?
6 months.
6 months?
Six?
Ah,
You're kidding.
He never does that.
What's that?
barking at people?
Yeah.
Other dogs, yes, sometimes. This is Frank.
Hey, Frank.
Say hi.
Hi, Frank.
I
Huh?
bet he goes over 100 pounds or more.
Running so wild.
Yeah.
The noise is setting him off.
That could be
Yeah,
it
it's
too.
probably the water. They're
Yeah,
making.
never came.
This is really high.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All that
Say
flooding
hi.
and stuff.
Hi.
Hi.
It's the waterfalls, huh? The waterfalls are getting you. The waterfalls, huh?
How big is he get? I forget.
His older brother's 160 pounds.
Whoa.
Holy shit.
He's an Akita Shepherd.
Okay, yep. They're good
Wow.
dogs.
They make good
Yeah.
poops.
Oh yeah, they're getting really big.
You gotta feed them good.
Ah. Okay. You too.
Go
See ya.
easy.
Nice dog. Let's go up here just for shits and giggles. Since we're here. It's the old railroad tracks. Look at that. You can see the waterfall. It's all like a park over here, isn't it? See, the water flows down over there too.
Yeah, it's been so long. When I was a kid, I
I am so cold. We gotta head back, Lon. It's cold. Freezing. Look at the old railroad track. Yeah, that hasn't. They haven't used that in a while.
No.
All right, let's get going. I'm freezing. My ears are freezing. Be careful. Hold the railing, no matter if it's cold or not.
They're taking the railroad tracks over.
You want to go that way?
Yeah.
That's a long walk, Lon.
No, that's not bad.
No, it's a walk. You gotta walk around. You can't cut through.
No.
No, we'll go back the track. Are you scared?
No, just sometimes you want to lose your footing.
Well, you better be careful and take your time. Know the
I'm not
know the
scared.
distance between each
Yeah, I
step
know.
you take. All right, because that's you can't. We'll have to walk all around the whole street. Get back there. Look at that waterfall.
I bet you're farther down.
Yeah, where does it go? Farther down. We'll try to track it. Go follow it. Yeah, you just gotta be careful. Know your distance between steps. All right?
Yeah.
You'd probably be better here because you got a footing in between. Like here. He's got a footing. See it? Then you don't slip and fall in. You know, because that water, you fall in there, that's it. You're dead. Stop it. Don't say that. Oops. You all right? Maybe you should stay in the middle. You fall off the... Yeah. Go over to the middle. In the middle. There you go. Go ahead, you go. I'll follow you. Maybe this was a bad decision. Look at the waterfall from this side. That water's moving. You got it. Know your distance between each step. Even a blind person could do it.
Oh yeah, I know that.
Look at that water. That water is moving. Get across this bridge, we'll be okay. Wow, makes it so much colder. Wow, I almost slipped. Damn it. I didn't wear the right clothes. Don't got no gloves. Look at my hands are red. You're almost there, Lon. Look at the water. Almost there. Couple more steps. Wow. We made it without breaking our ankles. More people. You got it. We made it. Holy shit. All right. Let's go. Now, if we walked around, we'd have to walk the whole street. No, yeah, it would be. It would be bad. Another waterfall. I think there's one up further, too. That's a lot of water. That thing's running 24 hours a day. For sure. Wow, it's cold. You get off over here. I'm going to go walk up there for a little bit, and then you walk over here. You just wait for me, okay?
Yeah.
Be careful. You don't want to slip and fall on this shit. Yeah, you don't want to slip and fall. You go that.
Yeah, I will.
Okay.
I'll wait.
Yeah, all right. Wait for me. I just want to check this tunnel thing out. It's an old train tunnel. Now we're going back. It's not much of one. Not much of one, but wow, it's kind of blocking the wind. Got a couple temperatures more warmer here. But you see water here. Maybe I can go up that way. Ew, you gotta get out of this water, huh? All that water. Let's go down here and check it out. Looks like the rocks are leaning inwards. There's some graffiti. All right. Go to the car. Ew, it's getting more mucky. Ugh! Stepping in muck. Ugh. The hell? Plastic bottle. Look at this bridge. Wow. When was this made? E&E. Hello? Hey, Vaughn. We're gonna be a YouTube star. We're going to sell 100,000 products of cosmetics. What's on the other side? It's all wet. It's water dripping down on my head. And then I'm going to make a video short coming back the other way. See what I can do. It's getting more mushy over here. Is that metal? No, cardboard or something. Wow, there's nothing here. Nothing here. Alright, I'll be back with you on the other side. Okay, I made my video short. Train! I named it Train. That's an old railroad track, huh? Bridge. I don't think they use this. This train track doesn't run anymore. Oh, like graffiti. Hey, Lon. Go ahead, go that way. I'm gonna go in this way. It's all mucky over here. Gotta wear my burley shoes. I don't want to slip and fall in that shit. No. Look at the trees. What a slope. Got tree branches here too. Lon, go. Hey, go. I'm going up this way. Go in. Go in. Right where you are. Go in. Fucking guy don't understand shit. You oh, I almost fell. Go back. Go in. The way we came, go in. I'll meet you over there. It's easier. Go in. Jesus, can't hear me. By tracks. By train. Jesus Christ. Doesn't understand. Yeah, he'd never make it up this little hill right there. Yeah. Got cowboy boots on. All right, it's easier over there for him to go in. Where are you? Well, come! You fucking idiot. What the fuck? Trying to help him out a little bit, and he's just standing there trying to figure out what the fuck's going on. Come on! Yeah, you'd never make it up the hill I just climbed. Didn't you understand what I was saying? No, of course not.
Said stay there and I'll meet you down here.
Yeah, over here. Get the hell out of here. Let's go. That's much easier to enter over there for you. Not here, you'd never make it. Your cowboy boots, you'd slip and fall and kill yourself. See what I just climbed up?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to tell you. Go in.
Okay. All right.
Jesus. Look at it, the flowers are coming up.
Yeah. Told you.
That's a good
I
sign.
think he's adapted it.
Look at the fence.
They're a strong plant.
All right, let's get out of here. Hopefully the car's still there. They didn't tow it away. Look at these trees. All right. Fucking freezing. This is a slope. God, the wind's blowing right on us. All right, there's the train thing down there. Trestle or whatever, bridge or... Jesus. Hey, a hobo could live up in there. Underneath these steps. Block them from the weather. Oh, shit. That was a slope, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Coming up that. Holy shit. These stairs are all wet.
It's not icy.
Oh, God. If it was ice, I wouldn't even come on. I wouldn't go on these steps. What was that? I heard a door slam. Come on. Let's get out of here. While we're still alive. Thanks for watching, everybody. Check it out.